Hi. So let's first read the statement for which we have to make the equations and then we will solve them. So the statement says find two numbers whose sum and difference are 25 and 5 respectively. So we have to find two numbers such that their sum is 25 and their difference is 5, right? I'm going to solve this using two methods. First method is where I'm going to use two variables and I'm going to solve it using one variable also. In first method, let's assume the numbers are x and y. So if numbers are x and y, they are saying their sum is 25. That means x plus y is 25 and their difference is 5. So if we assume that x is larger than y, then x minus y will be equal to 5, right? So these will be two equations. This will be equation number 1 and this will be equation number 2, right? So one way to solve these equations is add them. So if we add them, let's see what we get. We have plus x and plus x in first equation and plus x in second equation, but we have plus y in first equation and minus y in second equation. So if we add these two equations, this y and this y will get cancelled and x plus x will give us 2x, which will be equal to 25 plus 5, 30, right? And from here, if we divide both the sides by 2, in the left hand side we will get x and the right hand side will be equal to 30 by 2 and this will be equal to 2 ones are 2, 2 fives are 10. So the value of x is 15, right? And if we put this value of x as 15 in equation number 1, that means this equation, we will get 15 plus y is equal to 25, right? So from here, y will be equal to 25 minus 15, which is 10, right? So what is the solution for this? The solution for these two equations will be x equal to 15 and y we got as 10. So 15 and 10 will be two numbers which when added will give you 25. 15 plus 10 is 25 and when you subtract them, that means 15 minus 10 if you do, you will get 5, right? So this was one method where we have used two variables x and y, formed two equations, this one and this one, and then we solve those two equations to find the result, right? And now we will solve this problem using one variable. So let's assume that one number is x. So if we assume one number as x, another number will be 25 minus x. Why? Because the sum of these two numbers is 25, right? So if we assume one number as x, another number will be 25 minus x, right? So if we assume that x is bigger than or greater than 25 minus x, so if x is greater than 25 minus x, then their difference will be x minus 25 minus x, right? And what they are saying, the difference is 5, right? Yes. So now let's open this bracket considering this minus sign outside. So we will get x minus 25, right? Minus x will be plus x this will be equal to 5, right? So if we solve it further, we will get x plus x, 2x minus 25 is equal to 5, right? And from here, if we add 25 to both the sides, we will get 2x is equal to 5 plus 25, right? That means 2x will be equal to 25 plus 5 is 30. And if we divide both sides by 2, we will get x equal to 30 divided by 2, which is 2 ones are 2 and 2 fives are 10. So if one number, that is x, is 15, another number will be 25 minus x, which is 25 minus 15, right? Because we have found that x is equal to 15. So another number will be 25 minus 15, that is 10, right? Yes. So these will be two numbers which are same as we found in the previous method. So it is completely up to you which method you want to use. Use the method you like, and then you can make the equations and solve them, right?